Hello everyone, this is Shoaib and now you're watching Maximum Electronics. So today we are going to discuss how to insert hard disk in DVR system. So this is the CP Plus branded camera DVR system, and there is the panel and there is some sockets to connect the camera and all those things, and this is the required connection sockets and the screws for mounting the hard disk. So we are just inserting a hard disk in this CP Plus DVR system. This is basically for channel DVR system. So let's see. So first remove this and this four screws remove. After that we have seen, after removing this screws, we are removing just like this panel. So remove this panel successfully. So what is inside the DVR? So here is one button cell which is very important, which carry the time of the recording and all those things. So yeah, so there are two sockets which are able to connect the hard disk, and we have the connections wires or sockets wire. So yeah, there is 4 screws for connection for mounting the hard disk, and two connectors. So one of this is for data and another one is for the power supply. So just insert this in this manner. So I just want to show you, yeah, in such type. In this way, and disconnected properly, and this one like this. So it is connected properly. Okay, now I am connecting the hard disk. So I have Seagate 500 GB. This is 500 GB hard disk. So this is non-surveillance hard disk, or we can say that it is a regular hard disk which is used in computer system. So it is also work in such type of DVR, and it is also cheaper as compared to surveillance hard disks. So I'm just connecting this. So in hard disk, basically 3 ports are there, 1, 2 and 3, but we have only 2. So we are just joining this data and power cables. So this is basically for power and this is for the data. Okay, so let us join it. So this one, okay, this one is for power. So just join like this. Now the another one, so another one is joining like this. So finally the connection is completed. And how to mount this hard disk in this? So there are some shortcuts are there. So I'm just using this 4 screws which is given in this DVR. So and now the 4th one is also, which is, yeah, the screws are temporarily tight, and here is holes. Okay, so this screw which is inserting in this hole. Okay, so back side. Okay, and I'm going to show you. Yeah, and just slide it and right hand side and tight it. So I'm just using a screwdriver for And finally our hard disk is inserted in very good manner in our DVR system. And after that we have using this and use this 4 screws for tight. I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe our channel.